Some carried the dead bodies of their loved ones on their backs, others relied on pickup trucks, auto rickshaws, and bikes to take the injured family members to the hospital, and some cried helplessly as the bodies of their loved ones lay strewn at a hospital entrance. Distressing images emerged from Hathras in Uttar Pradesh, where a stampede at a religious gathering killed at least 116 people. Most of the victims of this stampede were women, and at least 7 children were killed. The event took place on 2nd July 2024 in Phulrai village, where devotees gathered at a satsang by a local preacher called Bhole Baba. The self-styled godman's name was Suraj Pal, who used to be a constable in the Uttar Pradesh police. He was also called Narayan Sakar Hari and had prominence in the western and central regions of UP along with some neighboring states. A case was registered against the organizers of the satsang. The FIR stated that 2.5 lakh people attended the event, even though permission had been granted for just 80,000 people. According to reports, witnesses said the stampede broke out when people started to leave the satsang.
ये रोड के किनारे खड़े हुए थे, धक्का लगा, वो नीचे गिरते हुए चले गए एक दूसरे.
NDTV reported that the satsang venue was too small for the crowd that attended the event. The Indian Express reported that the preliminary investigation revealed that thousands of extra people showed up here and many fell on the uneven ground while collecting the soil Pal had walked on, which led to the horrific incident. A survivor told PTI, people fell in a drain by the road. They started falling one on top of the other and got crushed to death.
एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिरते चले हुए, नीचे जो लोग दब गए वो निकल नहीं पाए. कम से कम 100 आदमी थे, कम से कम नीचे दबे हुए हैं वो.
UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath met the victims and their families on 3rd July.
हम लोग इस बात को किसी भी प्रकार से डिनाई नहीं कर सकते कि इस प्रकार की घटना केवल एक हादसा नहीं होता. अगर हादसा भी है तो उसके पीछे कौन जिम्मेदार है. घटना घटित हुई है तो इसके पीछे हादसा नहीं तो साजिश किसकी है.
A compensation of 50,000 rupees was announced for the injured and 2 lakh rupees for the families of the deceased.
सभी डेड बॉडीज के अंतिम क्रिमिनेशन के लिए मजिस्ट्रेट और पुलिस के कर्मी लगाए गए हैं, जिससे वहां पर परिवार के लोगों को इस तरह की असुविधा न हो. प्लस इसमें जो राज्य सरकार और केंद्र सरकार द्वारा जो आर्थिक सहायता की घोषणा की गई, उसकी कार्रवाई भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं और जल्दी से जल्दी हम लोग आर्थिक सहायता का वितरण भी करेंगे. हम लोग इस बात को सुनिश्चित करा रहे हैं कि जो पीड़ित परिवार है उनको आगे किसी तरह की असुविधा न हो.